Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sell your SLP in Binance. Now, in order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on this search bar in the top, and here in the search bar, you will have to type SLP. After typing SLP in the search bar, it will show you a bunch of different pairs such as SLP slash USDT, SLP slash ETH, SLP slash TRY. So you will have to select the pair in which you want to sell your SLP token. So for this video, I have selected SLP slash USDT, as if you sell your SLP coins, then you are going to get USDT in return. After selecting it, you will have to tap on the sell button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to enter the amount of SLPs that you want to sell. Once done, it will show you the USDT that you are going to get if you sell this much amount of SLP coins. You can even use this slider in order to select the percentage. Let's say you want to sell 50% of your SLP. So you can use this slider and you can place it at 50%. Then you need to tap on this sell SLP button and your order will be placed and you will be able to easily sell your SLP on Binance. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.